Did you ever wonder why matcha seems to be everywhere all at once? A few years ago, it was mostly found in specialty tea shops. Now, it's in cafes, supermarkets, protein shakes, desserts, and millions of social media videos. Its bright green color has become instantly recognizable. But why did this centuries-old Japanese tea suddenly become a global trend? And why are so many people replacing their daily coffee with it? The answer goes far beyond taste. Let's uncover the story behind it, right here on Simply Understood. Matcha isn't a new invention. Its history stretches back nearly 1,000 years. Unlike regular green tea, where the leaves are steeped and removed, matcha is made by grinding whole tea leaves into a fine powder. When you drink it, you consume the entire leaf instead of just an infusion, giving matcha a different flavor and nutritional profile. The process begins weeks before harvest. Tea plants are covered with shade cloths, reducing the amount of sunlight they receive. This increases chlorophyll, creating the vibrant green color, while also boosting amino acids like L-theanine, which gives matcha its smooth, slightly sweet taste. After harvesting, the leaves are steamed, dried, stripped of stems and veins, and ground into an ultra-fine powder. But history alone doesn't explain today's popularity. One reason is how people experience its effects. Matcha naturally contains caffeine, usually a little less than coffee. It also contains L-theanine, which can influence how caffeine feels. Instead of a quick spike followed by a crash, many people describe a steadier, calmer sense of alertness, although the effect varies from person to person. Its bright green color has also helped fuel the trend. It immediately stands out in photos and videos, making it ideal for social media. Cafes quickly embraced this by creating matcha lattes, iced drinks, desserts, and pastries that are as visually appealing as they are flavorful. Health trends have pushed matcha even further into the spotlight. It contains antioxidants, called catechins, along with vitamins and minerals naturally found in tea leaves. But many claims online go too far. Matcha isn't a miracle drink or a magic detox. Its benefits are best viewed as one part of an overall healthy lifestyle. There's another reason matcha fits modern life so well. Preparing it takes a little more effort than pressing a coffee machine button. The powder is measured, whisked with hot water until frothy, and enjoyed more slowly. Even modern versions keep a hint of that ritual. People aren't just buying a drink, they're buying a small moment of intention in an otherwise busy day. Growing demand has also changed the market. Producing high-quality matcha requires careful farming, specialized processing, and time. It can't simply be scaled up overnight. As demand has increased worldwide, premium matcha has become more valuable, while lower quality versions have become far more common. In many ways, matcha represents something bigger than tea. Consumers increasingly look for products that combine tradition, wellness, aesthetics, and authenticity. Matcha naturally brings those qualities together, helping explain why it has spread so quickly across cultures. So the next time you see someone whisking a bright green cup, you're looking at more than a passing trend. You're seeing centuries of tradition meeting modern science, global business, and social media. Sometimes the newest obsession turns out to be one of the oldest ideas, simply viewed through a different lens.